Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're exploring how to edit videos using CapCut Mobile, one of the best free apps for video editing. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick guide, I'll show you how to create stunning edits right from your phone. To get started, at the Me section, you'll be able to find your CapCut account. So in here, you can go ahead and sign in into your account or just use CapCut without signing up for an account. By clicking on the gift card tab, you'll be able to find all of the gift cards offered by CapCut that you can actually gift to your friends and buy for yourself. Another great feature of CapCut is that they have templates that you can use for editing. So as you can see on the templates tab, you'll be able to find a bunch of templates that you can use for your videos and photos. You can use a template by hitting on that use template button, or edit videos from scratch by hitting on that new project button and selecting the video that you want to edit on your CapCut Mobile. Once you proceed on the canvas, you'll be able to find this on your canvas. The bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find all of the tools that you can use to be able to edit the video on CapCut. So you can actually trim your videos, you can incorporate audio on your video, you can incorporate voiceovers on your video, you can remove the background of your video. All of the features that you're looking for is available on CapCut, but not all of it is accessible for free. So for example, the remove background option is actually exclusive for those CapCut Pro users. So if you're not a CapCut Pro user, you won't be able to apply that to your video, since you won't be able to export your video if you happen to accidentally use CapCut Pro without having a CapCut Pro account. You can go ahead and use these tools at the bottom of your screen to edit your video better and tailor fit it into your preference. And that is how you edit videos on CapCut Mobile. It's quick, easy, and packed with features. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.